Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify compound A. Benzene reacts with formaldehyde, HCHO, in the presence of 2H close via a chloromethylation type reaction, actually a blank reaction chloromethylation. Benzene plus HCHO plus 2H close yields benzyl chloride, pH, CH2Cl as compound A. This is the classic chloromethylation of benzene, blank chloromethylation, where the benzene ring reacts with formaldehyde and HCl to give benzyl chloride. Moving on to the next step. Identify compound B. Benzyl chloride, pH, CH2Cl, reacts with AgNO2. When an alkyl halide reacts with AgNO2, silver nitrite, the reaction proceeds via an SN2 mechanism where the nitrite ion acts as a nucleophile through its nitrogen atom, ambident nucleophile. AgNO2 is known to give the nitroalkane product, C-nitro compound, as the major product because the silver ion helps ionize the halide and the free nitrite anion attacks through nitrogen. Therefore, pH CH2Cl plus AgNO2 pH CH2NO2 phenylnithromethane plus AgCl. Moving on to the next step. Contrast with NO2. If NO2 were used instead, the reaction would give predominantly the nitrite ester pH CH2ONO because in solution with K plus the nitrite attacks through oxygen. But AgNO2 gives the C-nitro product. And for the final step, eliminate other options. Option B, pH CH2ONO would be the product with NO2, not AgNO2. Option C, PHO, benzaldehyde, is not formed in this reaction sequence. Option D, PHON is equal to O is a phenyl nitrite, which is irrelevant here. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.